Olive Garden has a huge missed opportunity in not having a loyalty program. Of course, I'm like, oh, what does ChatGPT think about this? Here's some suggestions for Olive Garden's loyalty program structure, covering both free loyalty program and a paid membership model. The free loyalty program is called Olive Garden Family. Customers can earn points for every dollar spent. Birthday and anniversary specials. Members get early access to new menu items or special promo offers. And then a mobile app where members can track their points, get personalized offers, order online, and make reservations. The paid membership program is called Olive Garden Primo. You get unlimited soup, salad, and breadsticks. You also get priority seating. On busy nights, members get priority seating or the ability to skip the wait list. This is bigger than big. This is huge. Also, exclusive events. You can host wine tasting nights there. You're going to be invited to cooking classes. You also, new to Olive Garden Primo membership, free delivery, monthly specials, and continuous discounts. So then,
it's not over yet.
Could Olive Garden work a wine club into this as well, similar to Cooper's Hawk? And this one's called Olive Garden Primo Vino. Each month, members receive 1 or 2 bottles of wine selected by Olive Garden sommeliers. It can include new offerings, seasonal selections, wines that pair well with their foods. There'll be wine tasting events, discounted wine purchases, food suggestions, of course, priority access.
I think this concept can be applied to pretty much virtually every restaurant ever. For those of you who have a loyalty program, how do you escalate to that membership model, and how do you actually see profits from it?